guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make, in my opinion, the world's best salsa. So let's head straight in. You're obviously going to need all the ingredients first. So it's 2 bunches of cilantro, 2 jalapeños, 3 Fresno peppers, and 16 Roma tomatoes. Now we're going to get out a knife and a cutting board, because we need to cut this out, and a pot to boil the peppers and the tomatoes in. Let's start out with the peppers. So we're going to just cut the stems off, all 5 of the peppers. So now we're going to fill up this pot with hot water. You can see these 2 dots where the handle comes in. That's about where you're going to want to fill it up to. Perfect. Right, now we're going to set this on the burner. Turn the flames on. And now we're going to add all 5 of these peppers. And we're going to set the timer for 8 minutes. Alright, now we're going to cut up these tomatoes. Now, we're going to cut these about 2/3 of the way up right here. So probably about right here. As we're waiting for this to boil right here, I'm going to go through the list of what else you'll need. Obviously this food processor. We're going to need a potato masher, like this. And then you're going to need a bowl. You're going to need lemon juice. Then salt and pepper and garlic salt. 1 whole onion. Alright, now all we have to do is wait for this to finish. Now we're going to add these tomatoes. Now, let's set the timer for 7 minutes. Then we can start making the salsa. We need to take everything out of this. Here, just dump it in, and make sure you use the pulse setting, not the on setting, so that it doesn't get too watery. Now we're going to add 2 bunches of cilantro. Now, let's get the peppers. Now, we're going to add 1 jalapeno into here, and all 3 of the Fresnos in there. We're going to chop this one up and add it to the finished salsa so that we have a little bit of chunks. Let's save that for later. Let's add the salt, the pepper, the garlic salt, and the lemon juice. Add about 2 tablespoons of salt. Then just couple grinds of pepper, about a teaspoon of garlic salt, and then your desired amount of lemon juice. Don't add too much or else it will ruin the whole batch. Now we can chop this up. Little chop. Add jalapeños. And then all these onions. And then we're gonna stir this. Now we need to try it. That is really good. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.